Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so today we have this hair from Sterlyhair and fashion trend for your beauty, of course. Let's see what's in the bag. So we got a lash and we get a wig cap, which is not my color, but we have multiple caps that we can put on. So this is the beautiful wig. Oh, there's color in it. I'm super excited to put this on, and it is a 13x4 lace front wig, of course. We are gonna go in. I'm happy that it has a little bit of color because lately I feel like I wanted to do something with some color. So this is how the wig looks. We are going to install this wig right now. It has combs in the back, which in the back, in the front, and 2 on the sides. And just look at this color. I did not bleach it. This is how the wig comes. So if you're into colored wigs, I think this is a perfect tone color wig for you guys. You guys can definitely check it out. The lace is stretchable, of course, so that is a plus for me. We are definitely going to go in and style the wig first and pluck some of this, add makeup to the lace. We're not going to bleach the lace because we want our wig to last, so bleaching is not an option right now, you know. So look at this color. It is beautiful. I love it. I can't wait to style it and see how it looks. I'm definitely gonna add layers to this wig because of the color. I think it's gonna look cute with layers. So let's style this wig and let's get into all of that. We're gonna add makeup to the lace from now, and then we are gonna pluck and style the wig. So stay tuned.
What were you testing? Focus can't on here's your lesson, no. Life ain't a testing. Taking shots at all your breath, no. Feel like a damn man. You fucking playing.
Okay guys, so we went ahead, pluck the hair. When I tell you we plucked so much hair, I made a part already. I was super tired, so I was doing this sitting down, but we definitely plucked it, and we're gonna do a side part. I'm gonna razor cut some of the hair just so we can have layers, because I need layers. So I'm gonna go in and just do a little bit of cutting. Because it's about time to install this wig. Alright guys, this is the wig. Isn't it beautiful with the color? So for this wig, I think I want to do it glueless because I like the color. And yeah, well, not glueless, but I'm not gonna use any glue. we are just gonna install it. So let me see how it fits on the head. I did add the makeup to the lace, as you guys can see. Ta-da-da-da. Yeah, so this is it. This is it. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split the lace just so it's easier for us to manage. And we be struggling over here doing all of this. Alright, so let's pin this part up and just cut the lace. We definitely have enough lace. I'm gonna cut the excess lace off. Let's just make sure the measurement is correct. And then let's cut the lace. First part is done. I think I need to cut a little bit more. Alright, there we go. Let's do this side as well. Make sure the measurement is good. Alright, we're gonna clean the area with alcohol, of course. I know you're wondering if I should use the glue. Please do not follow me. Make sure you guys use a cap. I'm just not in the mood. He's gonna get the job done. I'm just gonna be careful with my hairline. I think I'm gonna add glue. Should we? Yeah, let's do glue. So I'm putting the glue, oops, on my skin, of course. So make sure you be extremely careful with your hairline. Alright, that's the first layer. We're only adding 2 layers of glue. Alright guys, I think it is safe to cut the lace. I went ahead and cut some off already just because I was about to leave and go get something, but we got time. Oopsie. I'm cutting off the lace. If you guys notice, I really, me personally, I like to keep the band on when I'm cutting my lace. But if you guys notice, I put the glue on my skin. So, you know, really and truly, a cap was not needed. This area needs a little bit of glue. I don't think we're gonna add no more glue. Love the lace. Whenever I spend so much time cutting, not cutting, but spending a little bit more time plucking these hair, it always looks a little bit more natural. Back then I was like, oh, it's already pre-plucked, I'm not gonna pluck it. But spending time plucking the wigs, it makes sense. So we're just gonna spend more time going into our wigs and getting rid of, you know, just pluck it. So the more you pluck, the more it looks natural. So that's another thing that we're gonna work on, plucking these wigs. Guys, we are gonna take out some more hair. I think this part is easier to do it on your head because you always judge wrong when, you know, it's on the mannequin head. So I took some out. We're just gonna use the hot comb. This area actually we're gonna cut it because we're gonna add some baby hair right there. The hot comb also helps the glue to melt, so I love to use the hot comb. You have to be extremely careful.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me.
We are back. Face slay, hair slay. Alright, so I might have to put some curls in this. Let's see if I like it like this, or do we need to add some curls? Let's take this one off. I think I might tie this too tight. Let's see. Oops. Okay. 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 You know, it's like 3 hours later because I went and gave my kids dinner and all that good stuff. I like the loose curls, I'm not gonna lie. I ain't finna hold you. I like it like this. Only thing that I am going to do is use the hot comb and lay the top down some more. I will not cut no more of the hair because I really like it. So I think we're gonna leave it like this. It is nighttime. Tomorrow, once we're going on the road, we can redo all of this good stuff. So let's lay the top as flat as we can.